Hello, I'm Rishabh Rai, going to present on the topic laser scalpel. So this is the full form of laser scalpel, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser outputs. There are two modes of laser outputs, continuous mode and pulse modes. Output depends upon the medium. There is a wide application of laser in medicine and beauty therapy. Surgical laser, removing tumors, making incisions, cosmetic treatments, resurfacing, removal of birthmarks, age spots, spider veins, hair, tattoos. You have seen many of your friends using this because of there are some problems in the skin. So it's removed by the laser. It's also called ophthalmology, inner eye surgery in removing cataract. You have seen that many of your friends have a laser treatment because of this, removing the cataract. So this is very useful and effective tool nowadays. Photocoagulation. Laser heating of tissues above 50 degrees Celsius and below 100 degrees Celsius induces disordering of proteins and other biomolecules. Because of this high temperature, it shrinks in mass and water is expelled. Heat region loses its mechanical integrity, and cells in the photocoagulated region die, and region of the dead tissue called photocoagulation bone develops. There are generally three interactions mechanisms involved: photocoagulation, photovaporization, and photoablation. Thermal effect depends on energy dilation. Now we move on the applications of laser. It's used to destroy tumors, treating retinal disorders caused by the diabetes. I have seen many of the old persons having this issue, and they correct it by the laser treatment. Hemostatic laser surgery, bloodless excision. Blood vessels subjected to photocoagulation develops a pinched point due to shrinkage of proteins in the vessel walls helps seal off. Biological activity of laser light is due to absorption phenomenon by chromophores. Photons energy of laser light is transferred to blood, tissues or bone in the form of heat. Laser can transfer photon energy to chemical bond energy of the molecules in a human body like DNA. Here you can see this. This is the red area. Red. This is called port wine stains. It can be treated with lasers. Like see if you can see here, it's very much improved. The skin surface of the stains very much improved. It's removed by laser because excess blood vessels just under the outer layer of the skin absorb yellow laser light, which destroys the red vessels. Because the beam is delivered in brief pulses, other tissues is undamaged, so that only the face can be recovered very nicely. This also you can see this melanin pigments there, but here you can see it's very much treated nicely by laser treatments. It's a selective absorption treatment. This is best worked with a red light ruby laser. White hair cannot be treated with any laser due to the lack of absorption component. Laparoscopic surgery. This is a CO2 laser. This is a like a much advanced laser type nowadays. Now it is used in many hospitals. You can see in Apollo and many hospitals like argon laser and ND, endometriosis, this KTR, KTP, posterior vagotomy in peptic ulcer diseases. Like it's also used to create a. So there are many advantages in laser surgery nowadays. Like because it has bloodless field, it's bloodless, it's very effective. It's the main boon of this laser equipment. Excellent hemostatics, excellent healing, allow precise microsurgery. It's very precise. You can just focus on the part you need to like cure it, and it will do it job very well. Lower infection rate, it's not touching, it's not touching anything, it not react. So that's why the infection will not spread around. Outpatient procedure. You can see that this is the laser surgery happening. They are wearing their goggles there. It's very dangerous. Sometimes with some good things, there are also some bad things also there. Like here you can see the disadvantages, like it's atmospheric contamination. The laser plume is very dangerous to the atmospheric. Mutagenic, tetragenic, or vector for viral infection. Intestinal pseudomonia, bronchiolitis. These are diseases that happen because of laser. Reduced clearance, inflammation, etc. Thank you.